Hey everybody, we had a headlight burnout in this Lexus RX300. It's a 2002, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. First thing, it was the passenger side that burned out, so we gotta take this windshield wiper reservoir loose. You just release this one 10mm bolt. Once that's loose, you can wiggle that out of the way. And then right behind it, there's a cap that you turn a quarter turn counterclockwise and then it'll pop off. So there's the cap. We already took our bulb out, but once you get in there, you'll see this metal socket. That's a quarter turn off the back of the bulb as well. And then there's just a spring-loaded clip there that you squeeze together and it pops down, and then you'll pull the bulb right out. Your new bulb will probably come with a cover over it. You'll want to leave that on right to the point where you're going to put it in, because it's important to make sure you don't get fingerprints on the bulbs, which will make them burn out quicker. On your new bulb, there's two little notches here. You're going to line up with notches in the socket. They're right at the top of the socket. Okay, so once the bulb's slid in there, then you just clip that spring back over it, and then make sure you got those notches lined up right in there. Turn it. So you just slide that socket over the end of the bulb, and then you can just turn it a little quarter turn. You can see there it says lock that way, so quarter turn clockwise. And that's it. So we're going to test it here and make sure that it turns on, and it's just as bright as the other one, so looks good. Then we're just going to slide this cap back on and twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place and reattach the washer fluid reservoir. So on ours it looks like these two tabs here and here right next to this finger tab, they look like they're closer together, so we kind of just line those up with the two that we think are the ones that match that. So basically it makes that finger tab point straight down when you start it. So once you push that in, then you can just spin it up clockwise until it locks. Now you can press the reservoir neck back down and reinstall that 10mm bolt, and that's the whole project. Pretty easy. So that's it. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.